Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pex Crimping Tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any DIY plumber or professional contractor, simplifying the process of connecting PX tubing with secure, leak-free joints that are crucial for reliable water systems in homes and buildings, ensuring durability and peace of mind for years to come. Number 5. Wirefy Ratcheting Wire Crimping Tool. Experience efficient and secure crimping with our precise ratcheting mechanism. It's optimized for heat shrink connectors, ensuring consistent and reliable results every time. Our tool features a full ratcheting cycle that locks connectors securely in place. It's designed to maintain a perfect grip, even in challenging environments. Fine-tune the pressure for any job with the adjustable star wheel. The quick-release lever adds convenience, making precision work effortless. Work comfortably for extended periods thanks to the cushioned, non-slip grips. They offer excellent control and leverage, reducing hand strain. This tool is built with durability and user experience in mind. It's a trusted choice for reliable terminal connections and any wire crimping needs. What we like. This tool offers a precise ratcheting mechanism for consistent, secure crimps, especially with heat shrink connectors. Its adjustable crimping force allows fine-tuning for every job. If you are looking for a reliable tool for electrical work that prioritizes accuracy and comfort during extended use, this is a great choice. What people say. The tool is well built and feels sturdy in hand. It crimps PX fittings securely and consistently. The ratcheting mechanism makes it easy to use, even in tight spaces. Number 4. iCrimp PX Clamp Tool Kit PC, CRP 1096. Introducing the iCrimp PX Clamp Toolkit, your comprehensive solution for secure PX tubing connections. This versatile kit handles multiple sizes with ease. Our patented tool allows for quick cinching and removal of PX clamp rings, ensuring a secure fit every time. It even allows for fittings to be reused, saving you time and resources. The included stainless steel clamp rings are corrosion-resistant and built for long-lasting strength. They provide reliable connections with both brass and poly PX fittings. This kit also features a PX tubing cutter that slices through tubing up to 1 inch effortlessly. Make clean cuts every time for perfect installations. You can trust the quality and safety of this tool. It is NSF certified and meets the ASTM F2098 standard for your peace of mind. Everything you need is neatly organized in a handy carrying case. This 33-piece set makes it easy to transport and access your PX tools wherever you go. What we like. This kit is a versatile solution for PX plumbing, featuring a patented tool that combines both cinching and removal functions. It comes with essential PX clamp rings and a tubing cutter, meeting ASTM F2098 standards. If you are a DIY plumber or a professional needing to make secure PX connections and want the convenience of an all-in-one kit with reusable fittings, this is the one for you. What people say. The tool feels solid and makes tight, secure connections. I have used it on 1 2-inch and 3 4-inch PX and it crimps the clamps evenly without any leaks. The cutter also does a clean, straight cut which makes installs easier. The clamp tool itself works well and I really like that it can both install and remove clamps. That makes it much easier to fix mistakes or reuse fittings when needed. The tubing cutter is sharp and cuts through PX cleanly and easily without much effort. Firstly, the build quality is exceptional. The tools are made from durable materials that feel solid and reliable in hand. I have used them on multiple projects, and they have held up remarkably well, showing no signs of wear or degradation. Number 3. HKS 8-piece Ratcheting Crimping Tool Set. This set offers incredible versatility with 7 interchangeable dies. It covers a wide range of wire gauges, from 20 to 2 AWG, and works with various terminal types, including insulated, non-insulated, and heat shrink connectors. Swapping out the dies is a breeze thanks to its quick-release design. This feature allows for rapid die changes, saving you valuable time on the job. The adjustable ratchet mechanism ensures precise pressure is applied during each crimp. Completing a full ratcheting cycle guarantees a secure connection and enhances user safety. Designed for ease of use, its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, making your work faster and more efficient. It's a true time and labor saver. Constructed from robust HR-55 steel and subjected to rigorous quality control, this tool is built to last. Secondary polishing on the tool body and dies ensures precise crimping accuracy for a long service life. What we like. This set stands out with its 7 quick exchange dies, offering incredible versatility for various terminal types including heat shrink, solar, and ferrules, covering a wide AWG range. The adjustable ratchet and automatic release ensure safety and ease of use. If you are a professional electrician or a serious DIYer who handles a variety of electrical connections and values efficiency and adaptability in a single tool, this comprehensive set is ideal. What people say. The ratcheting design allows effortless and consistent crimps. It comes with different jaws for different style of connectors. The crimpers, zip-up case, and extra dies is a hard deal to beat. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Plumbing Pipe Press Tool Kit. Introducing the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Plumbing Pipe Press Tool Kit. This professional-grade tool is designed for efficient pipe pressing, making your plumbing tasks easier. It offers a wide pressing capacity, handling copper, PX, stainless steel, and carbon steel pipes. This versatility ensures it can tackle various job requirements. Stay informed with its onboard diagnostics. It conveniently displays battery life, confirms successful crimps, and alerts you if service is needed or indicates the operating temperature range. Leverage the Crimp Connect reporting technology for detailed insights into the work completed. This feature helps you track your progress and ensure quality control. Designed for ease of use, it features forward and reverse triggers for comfortable operation. This allows for more intuitive control during the pressing process. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and 5 essential 1/2 inch -2 crimping heads for immediate use. What we like. This is a powerful cordless press tool designed for professional plumbing, offering a wide pressing capacity for various pipe types including copper and stainless steel. Its onboard diagnostics provide crucial information about battery life, crimp success, and tool status. If you are a professional plumber working on large projects or in demanding conditions where speed, efficiency, and real-time feedback are critical, this tool will significantly streamline your workflow. What people say. Makes incredibly short work of plumbing repairs, especially when you can't get the pipe to dry out. Has 1 2-up through 2 jaws included, which is awesome for commercial work. Saved a huge amount of time using this, no more soldering. Number 1. RIDGID 3/4 PX Crimp Tool. Introducing the RIDGID 3/4 PX Crimp Tool, designed for reliable PX tubing connections. It's perfect for both potable water and radiant heating systems using ASTM F1807 copper crimp rings. Tired of struggling in confined areas? This tool features a significantly smaller handle opening, making it incredibly easy to maneuver and work in tight spaces on any job site. Experience superior comfort with its durable, glass-filled polycarbonate handles. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use, even during extended periods of work. Ensure every connection is perfect with the built-in go-no-go gauge. It conveniently folds into the handle for compact storage, always ready when you need it. Keep your tool performing optimally with its easy calibration feature. The adjustable cam allows for quick adjustments, ensuring maximum efficiency on every crimp. What we like. This manual PX crimp tool is specifically designed for tight spaces, featuring a significantly smaller handle opening than traditional tools for easy maneuverability. It includes a convenient built-in go-no-go gauge for quick checks and features ergonomic handles for comfort. If you frequently work in confined areas like under sinks or in tight crawl spaces and need a reliable, easy-to-use tool for making PX connections with ASTM F1807 fittings, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Seals water lines in tight spaces with ease. For those tight spots that my conventional crimper won't fit in. It works great. You can even use it for crimping out in the open. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.